So this is the United Kingdom dropshipping market for upcoming 2033 year. Okay, because in this video I have researched a lot of information. I researched a lot of things, and why UK dropshipping is very low competition market, and it's very big opportunity for you, especially if you are finding a good market. Because at the beginning you cannot compete in USA market, in the Australia market, Canada market, but UK is the very good opportunity gap market. So first of all, I will show you that some information from Gemini, because Gemini is giving the best data by researching in the all internet data, and he is giving me a best idea. Okay, so first of all, I asked Gemini that what is the future of UK dropshipping. Okay, so Gemini told me that the future of dropshipping in UK is the significant growth, but it will demand a shift from the old AliExpress model to more professional, brand focused, and domestically aligned approach. Okay, so it means that right now dropshipping is very hard, and if you think that you will sell a viral product, you will get a lot of sales, within few months you will make 100k or $1 million sales, then my friend, you are doing or you are thinking very wrong things. Okay, and I cannot tell you that, I cannot guarantee you that you will never success, because right now in 2025 from the USA, a million dropshipper are doing business, and you are also the next person that you will bid with them. So that's why, what the solution? I will not say that dropshipping is not for you, but yes, you can start. The answer is focus on building brand. Okay, not just selling products. So what is the brand? This is the questions. If you cannot build a brand, then you cannot never make a long time a business or money making machine from dropshipping, because every business is for long time. But you are thinking maybe that you will find a product, viral product, TikTok product, Instagram product, then you will sell this product. No, any product you can sell, even a mouse, even a pen, you can sell. But how? If you can build a brand. So let me show you that some more information, that is UK is a low competition market for beginner. So why I am telling you that UK, especially for UK, because UK have some very advantage facilities. The facility is the tax issues. It has very lower tax issues than other EU countries. And UK, from China you will get 3 to 5 days shipping. But on the other hand, on other countries like USA, Canada, Australia, or other European countries, Italy, Germany, France, you will not get like this fast shipping time. So UK is a very smooth line to for the beginner or every dropshippers to do business very easily, very comfortably, smoothly. And if you can build a brand, then within a year or within 1 to 3 years you can make a $1 million brand. Okay, so you are beginner, I suggest you to go with first UK market. Please don't go with USA market. If you have low budget, or if you have like not much experience about the market research, then I told you that to go with UK market. So why UK market is a high competition? So Gemini telling me that UK has high competition, but if you can build low competition opportunities, if you choose the right strategies. Okay, so it has a strategy to build a brand in UK market. And why is the UK market high competition, and why it has a lot of potential? You can see that this is the market graph. Okay, so it will be in the next 2 to 3 years, it will be almost a $140 billion industry. Okay, so that's it, my friend. So I want to say you that you are a beginner dropshipper and you are finding a good market, so you most welcome to the UK market, okay? And I am working with a lot of UK dropshipper, and what product you want to sell or what product you will choose for the UK, right? So starting, I suggest to go with some unique products that solves a real problem to the customers. Not Don't just go with common products like uh, selling dress, selling like jewelry. No, I always tell to my dropshippers that to find a product, you should spend even 1 month, 2 months time, because overall overall product is the most important things. And if you are good in store design, if you are good in like ad creation, no, I suggest you to find or be expert or be more creative, be more psychologically that what product you will sell. So in my next video, I will come with in-depth information, practically step by step, how to find a good product, unique product that will build a brand that will sell in long time, okay, not for short time. So my friend, this is the video that I am making for the UK market. So you can go with UK market. If you have any questions, just comment below or contact me. No problem, I will respond. In the video description, my every contact details you will find. Okay, so thank you so much.